making fruit leather.
It's lunchtime, isn't it?
It is lunchtime.
Thank you for the tea. That's a let it brew. Thank you for the tea. That is what I'll do.
That was $3. Let me drink.
I want that. Way too bossy. Let's smash these up. Don't worry, I'm gonna mute most of this video anyway. What do you guys think?
Wow.
Does it smell good?
I don't know.
Smell it.
It smells like apples.
Ready,
How
what?
can you not notice that?
Let's start with a little bit at a time. And it is hot.
Oh.
Mash it, Rosie Rose.
It's already coming out.
It is got a little too much juice in it. So it might take a little bit longer. Good job.
It was already coming out.
Whoopsies.
It was silly when it went by itself.
Yeah. Yeah, you can have a taste out of here.
Don't want to.
Don't want to? Okay.
It has a little rainbow thing on it. See? There's a rainbow.
Yeah. I didn't want you to draw on it with your finger necessarily. Have you smoothed it out? Maybe I could have flipped it a while ago, huh? But I was so busy. There we go. Flipped it over. Is it good?
Yeah.